Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, we'll talk about what is happening in the market quickly. So you can see right over here on the right hand side, we can see a lot of tokens are crashing and many believe the bull run is over. But what is going on actually is called as short squeeze or pullback to value. That is long awaited since the token has pumped a lot, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. They have seen a lot of pump and almost most of them hit all-time high, at least this year's all-time high. So let's get started. Let's talk about some of the key setups that is going to take place this week, and by the end of August you will see them retracing back and then adjusting, then we'll be moving to sidelines before pumping again. So this is a long cycle that is going to take place. So I will start with Ethereum first. So I'm already short on this trade, and as you can see here, on Monday on 21st of July it made a doji candle. This is a doji candle which actually explain the market is now stagnated and bulls have exhausted their momentum. That is when I entered it, and you can see the short is there. I entered on Monday, and after the candle is over, I entered here and with a target of around $3,200, which is nearly equivalent to 20 EMA, which is right over here. This is going quite perfectly. So as expected, on the lower time frame also, the short squeeze have started happening, and you can see the 1 hour candle, it was climbing, making higher highs, higher lows previously, and of course a good money has been made by people. You can see here, this was the run that was running for quite some time, but then when the token hit doji candle on Monday, this is for the scenario is it's no longer now in a bull trend. We are actually going down here from here to here. This is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and expected is we can go down or at least touch nearly $3,000. That is quite possible. So this is the current scenario that you should be aware of. And of course, if you're planning to enter a trade now, well, you need to check the low time frame, especially 4 hour 1 hour chart. I suggest go with the 4 hour chart because that is a key area right now. You can see here it is stuck between 20 and 50 MA, and if it breaks 50 MA, it is likely to go down to the level of $3,000. That is quite possible, but take into account the movements in daily and weekly. So overall, what I see here is a pullback to value, which is a good thing for a token like this. Now, apart from this, we have Ripple that has shown the same kind of feature recently, just like Ethereum. It pumped to all-time high and now retracing back to its origins, which is back to around $3 or maybe around 2.8 or $2.9. You can see here the big box, this rectangular box, has been broken down. The candle outburst and then pumped, then achieved all-time high, but now retracing back, and this one already hitting 20 MA. That means the retracement is here, the pullback is finally here, and we can see it going down to as low as 50 MA, which is at $2.6. And the same thing is repeated with Solana also. You can see Solana. Of course, this highlights that pullback is here. It is not a clear indicator that we are in the bear run. It is a minor pullback that happens. The token need time to breathe. You can see the same situation with Solana. Higher high, high lows, high high, high lows, higher highs, higher lows, again higher highs, higher lows. So again, this is still in the bull run. Of course, if it goes back up, we are still in bull run. If it goes down, then the trend is broken down. That is what we are expecting right now. So overall, still we remain bullish. But again, plan your entries accordingly. I believe a good setup is coming in next few days for entries like Ethereum, Ripple, Solana. At least these coins should be taken into consideration because they are blue chip tokens. From Aptos, you can see again one of the most tradable token, shorted token yesterday, and this one is going back to $4. You can see on the weekly chart the trend is very clear, and of course it is hitting all-time low back again to $4. If that happens, the DCAing this token is one of the best entry criteria that you can take because it has already hit in the zone of $4 and as low as you can see $3. That is the zone you can enter, and if you zoom out, you will see the token will make higher highs pretty soon. After this, that will take months, guys, because that will take around 1 to 2 months. But if you enter at the right price point, you are going to gain a good amount of pump in the coming month. That may happen in August, that may happen in October. That we have to decide, but overall the positions are good, the tokens are pulling back, and the same is going with PENGU coin. Every token is showing the same sign, same momentum. Every token is facing short squeeze, and that is the best time to enter when the bull run is still continue. Of course, Wait for some time for the token movement, for the candle to finish. Wait for the weekly candle to finish. The best you can do is wait for the weekly candle to finish to plan your next entry, because in this situation we don't know whether the bull run is over or we are in a short squeeze. So wait for this weekend, wait for the candle to finish, and once that is done, plan your entry. It is a good opportunity for you to scale back again and plan your entry position. If you don't find the candle matching your criteria, do not trade, because the token might crash further. So again, plan your entries. With that, I complete my video. Do remember to press subscribe and also press the bell icon, and of course let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, thank you.